Alright, you guys, welcome back to another stream. Just a quick update. I failed my previous account after the last stream. I kept on trading. I really messed up. I got caught up in all kinds of moves. Which happened? Where did that happen? Where was that? Was it in here? I think it was inside of here. Yeah. So that's pretty much what happened. What happened was that I gave into my emotions. I wasn't thinking straight, and I just blew my account through over leveraging, over trading, revenge trading, and it just like drew my drawdown. I mean, price to minimum account balance. Yeah, hopefully I learned my lesson. Like, this happened 2 times now. I thought I got it. Like, it just seemed that as in like I already learned my lesson, but that was not the case. So yeah, hopefully we're not gonna make this. I mean, I'm not gonna make the same mistake again. I must be so in tune with myself that I actually recognize all the conditions, how I think, how I operate, if my emotions dictate my decisions, my actions, or do my actions dictate the emotions first? Yeah. So let's go over the bias for today. I am pretty bullish. We had this huge move up on the Wednesday. Then on Friday, there was like, and it was NFP, so it pushed price down. Then it immediately started to run up again, and it created this range. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna sweep this low or this low before continuing higher. I expect a bounce from price at around this area, which is 1 hour fair value gap minimized to 15-minute fair value gap between these 4 candles. Seems a logical area that we're gonna retrace back to. I watched Justin Verline's charting session a little bit, and that was also his prediction. We are in the discount of this range, but it's not so prominent as this range from here to here. But still, as he says, the price is gonna tell us when it's gonna want to go back up. So that's what we're waiting for. I'm not gonna enter unless I get the signal to enter, which is, let's go over that again. So just like here, we have a range, we have a consolidation stage. So for consolidation, I am waiting to see the price go lower, sweep some kind of previous sell side liquidity. So let's just make it like this, and after that I expect a rally up, a quick move, call it a displacement that hopefully breaks the structure. Then we're gonna retrace back, and this is where we enter, on a bigger time frame or on a smaller time frame. Right now I expect this to be on a 1 minute time frame to happen, or at least a 5 minutes, because we're currently on 15-minute time frame. And yeah, that's where we enter and hopefully get a move back to the upside. So that's our entry model. Stops at the lows, first target over here, and take most of the profits, then let some of the position just run, because we might go back to these highs over here. So that's my entry. I'm not gonna enter off of anything else. If I miss the move, unless there is like another opportunity in the same way, I'm not entering. I'd rather, like, I don't wanna blow my balance, blow my account again, because like it's cheap, but it's also way too expensive to do this every single week. And yeah, it's not gonna be good, not for my finances, not for my psychology, and in the first place, not even my like journey to this. So the market opens in about 10 minutes. So yeah, 8.5 minutes. Currently, I think we are sweeping this low. We might not get all the way down here, but if the price is gonna break some kind of structure to the upside with a lot of momentum, that's gonna be our signal that we are in the change of state of delivery to the upside. So market structure shift is gonna occur, and we are gonna enter long, most likely. Our first profits could also be above this high, but since these are relatively equal highs, I expect to get all the way up here. Yeah, so that's our daily bias. I also want to mention that I started reading a new book, which is this one. It's by a Slovenian author, Marijan Urgurioc. Izhod iz Matrice, or in English that would be like an exit from Matrix. Pretty dope book. I'm about a quarter or a third through the book, and I'm really enjoying it so far. Yeah, so that's about that for now. Hopefully I will not be talking to myself. Okay. Today I won't be watching any stream alongside. Because I believe that's gonna snap. I believe that's just gonna be a distraction, and I need my own conviction in this market. I don't need others to tell me what to do, you know. Okay, so Enki already took out these lows. It's approaching this low here. Yes, might catch up, but we'll see. We might get a higher time frame S&T here, because if we do, our conviction about the bias can be pretty strong. So that would be a 5-minute or even a 15-minute, yeah, S&T. That would be a good sign to enter off, good signal. So yeah, let me share the link with some people in here. Okay, we're getting some quick movement from the price already. The volume is starting to build up. Something's itching my nose. I need to charge my phone. Okay, last 5 minutes before the open. If this fair value gap does not hold, I believe we are going to reverse. But right now I believe we are building buy side liquidity. We're at least gonna get up to these highs. So that would be okay. Let's measure this. Okay, if you would enter abroad, yeah, that's a nice move. But we don't need more points. We just need more conviction and a better setup. Okay, we're approaching this breaker block inside of this order block. Let's see what the price does, if it holds anything. We might break structure here, so that could be our pre-market manipulation move. But there is no real fair value gap inside of this. Or there even might be, because it's on a higher time frame. So let's take a look at this. This was quite a quick move up. Oh yeah, let's check the news real quick. Today, yeah, it's a red folder news. Oh wait, oh no, sorry. That was yesterday, so today there's no news. So no, there shouldn't be no unexpected moves. If we hold this, I'm gonna enter. Wait, I need to use this tool. I'm just gonna leave this here. Yeah, it was okay that we didn't actually enter yet, because we might get a safer opportunity. We might sweep this low before continuing higher. So yeah, we are still holding this 2-minute fair value gap. The candle closes in 30 seconds, so we're gonna see what the price does. So yeah, I'm simply just an observer. I'm gonna react if there's a reason to react. So yeah, we are not yet ready to, okay, we might be, okay, what's going on? Okay, we just rebalance this price, we're pushing lower. So yeah, still no entry. It was the right decision to not to enter yet, because that would just mess up with my head. See, there was no market structure shift yet. We did attack these lows, but now we are approaching back up. So oh yeah, that's the candle actually. Okay, let's do it like this. create limit order. We're gonna enter with 5 contracts. We're gonna buy. Wait, what? Okay, so apparently I'm already in. Just gonna move my stop. Yeah, that did not go as intended. I wanted to place. Yeah, no. Okay. Yeah, of course. That was not what I meant to do. I wanted to place an order. Wait, what? How did I? Oh, no. Wait, how did that happen? Because I wanted to place the order so that it would. Okay, so we swap this low. So the price should like come back up, then enter, not immediately enter. Look what happened. And oh, I was stopped out just by a little bit. What's price doing? 5-minute candle is breaking through. 15-minute also reacting nicely. I think I'm gonna enter off of this high. I'm gonna place stop loss here, and I'm gonna target all the way up. Create limit order, limit buy. Okay, like this. Now I should be in, yeah. That was kind of what I wanted to do. First profit target's gonna be here. We just rejected the inverse. 2-minute candle looking bullish, 3-minute candle not so much, 4-minute candle looking bullish, 5-minute candle looking bullish. So that's a good sign. Yeah, that was a bit unfortunate. That was a very unnecessary loss, but it's alright. So yeah, we now just have to observe what's happening. I don't know how did that enter, because was that a limit or was it simply just executed? You know, it was a limit, but I don't know how that got filled so quickly. Okay, yeah, I'm adding more to this. I'm moving my stop here. Okay, 5-minute candle, closing very bullish in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's a nice move higher, exactly like this. That's what I wanted to see. We are in a bit of a profit right now, so that's okay. I'm not moving my stop loss yet because it could still return back to this order block. First, I want to see if it breaks through here. I'm feeling a bit of anxious right now. Might be because of the caffeine and I just ate. That might be the reason for it. We are calming down. Rejecting this fair value gap. I feel like adding to this position. 5 more. What's the higher time frame saying? 15 minutes looking very bullish. This one also bullish. We created this fair value gap. We might come back to it later on, but on 1 minute time frame there is no fair value gap except for this one. But the price is struggling around this area. So we are respecting this fair value gap. Price closes in 9 seconds. I want to see a bullish close with a push up. Okay, there was a bullish close. I moved my stop loss. I want to see a pushback up. That would be pretty neat. Okay, we have one fair value gap in here, but it does look like we're not going to reach it, especially if we break through here. I'm pretty sure then we're safe, and I'm going to move my stop over here. I just want to maximize the profits on this, even though I'm not sure if I'm convinced to add more. Okay, right now it looks like we are going higher. Let's see a bullish close on this candle. We're not gonna get it. This might be the turtle soup. Okay, we are trying to push higher, but does look like we are still building some buy side liquidity first. Five-minute candle still looking pretty bullish. For now, we rebalance to this close before 15 minutes. I want to see this close bullish inside the fair value gap. Price is pretty indecisive right now. So yeah, this is 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, it does look like we are breaking through now. Two minutes until the 5-minute candle closes. I just wanna see a closure above here. Again, not my intent. I wanted to add here. Forgot to look at if I have it on market or a limit order. I wanted to buy the low because I think this is a turtle soup. Buy the low of this, then continue higher. Okay, so So the price is still holding this mini fair value gap on a 5-minute candle time frame. We tapped into this order block. We broke structure here, so we can mark that. We did break structure over here. And we did respect this fair value gap here. Okay, now we're disrespecting it. I don't know why that is. We are quite close to our stop loss. I don't like this. I'm gonna move this here actually. I want to see us break up here. That would be amazing. Well, I just took out a new challenge. Just bought a new one. So this is the first day that I'm trading again. So we are consolidating again. Yeah, I just blew it. After the last stream I took some trades, very unnecessary trades, and I just blew it all. Okay, now we're starting to push higher. I believe I want to see us break through this level. We are above this fair value gap now. We did not create a single fair value gap on to the downside, so that should be a good sign, I believe. But I should have waited till here and bought here. But right now I'm just gonna hold this position because I believe the bias is to go higher than this. If you break through here, I'm most likely putting my stop loss to break even. We are rejecting this inverse fair value gap now. No, just in a single day. I was revenge trading. Like, I had no technical support behind my trades. I just simply, when I had a feeling that it's gonna continue lower, I sold. Then it reversed back on me, and took out my stop loss. Then I entered again because I thought, well, now it's going long. I'm gonna join in the long position again. Took out my stop loss to the downside, and I was just going back and forth. So what's the market telling me right now? We did create this range. Do we want to go lower or not? Because there might be an opportunity for a short. But we did not create a single fair value gap to the downside, so yeah, used to have 2 trades, but sometimes I took 3. If I was really convinced that I messed up with my bias, and I was then sure that the bias is to go, let's say, in the opposite direction, then I took 3. But I was very careful most of the time with it. Yeah. I'm afraid this is gonna hit my stop loss. Let's see what price does here. The 5-minute structure did break through here. And there was a fair value gap on a 2-minute. We are currently kind of inside of it. We are inside of this order block, so yeah, simply giving in to my emotions. Like right now, I'm not liking this. Already in the drawdown, there might be an opportunity to go short, but I don't wanna. I'm just gonna hold my position really. And I was too early with all the adding to the position. Should have been more patient. Okay, so we took out these lows. I want to see us break through here. Well, I look at the daily to see how, like, let's go over this. So daily right now, well, the last candle was kind of indecisive, but we do have a 4-hour fair value gap over here. Then I minimize, and I can see the price building up, and I expect this to reject at somewhere around here. We did tap it once. We might get to this low. That's why I'm saying I might be too early for this move. The 1-hour candle right now, well, it did take out this low. It did not take out this low, but it's looking kind of bullish. I hope in the next 4 minutes we close bullish. Otherwise, I'm just gonna chill with everything. Yeah, and I minimized then that fair value gap to this section here on the 15-minute time frame. But right at the start, I figured like this might be the market structure shift, because we also created this order block and this fair value gap inside of here. So, and I thought, well, the price is looking kind of very bullish, so I entered when we got back to these highs. Then I added more because we were so bullish. Now it kind of turned around on me. Take profit trader. It's, I don't think it's that popular, but it's good. I actually like it. The prices are quite cheap because I used a discount code 1550 for 50% off. So yeah, okay. This might be the structure shift back to the upside. I just hope it's not something like a turtle soup for the downside. Okay, we are pushing higher now, so we are breaking these highs, I believe, so that's a good sign. We stuck to our bias. I'm gonna move my stop loss closer now, because I don't think we are going to get back down here. Just hope I'm not mistaken, really. Oh yeah, take profit trader, TPT. I hope this fair value gap holds. Price rebalanced. We are in a bit of a drawdown. No, I did not yet. Can you send me a link, maybe? We did close bullish on the 1 hour. Okay, that's a nice reaction. Hopefully it holds. I'm gonna Google it. Maria Milic. I'm gonna watch this later. Oh yeah, the Bitstamp owner. What other vision? What's that? Oh, why is that? I'm not sure what you're talking about. Okay, so I hope the next 1 minute candle is also bullish that breaks through here. Then we're kind of safe and I can put my stop loss closer to this. Yeah, I mean, perception is a very important part of your life, because your reality is determined by your perception. Like, you view the world with your own eyes, and then that becomes your reality. Um, Sebastian Toplak was one of my mentors. Great guy, actually. Just I did not get the knowledge that I wanted from his course because I already knew a lot of stuff. But he's a great mentor, actually. Like, if you are just starting out, I would recommend him. Uh, some of his students start to become profitable real quick. So then I was on one platform. That's where I started, iGenius, but I would not really recommend it because it's not so much focused on the mentorship as is. It's just a platform that with a bunch of videos about trading, but it's not so. It's not one on one or something like that. Yeah, it's also kind of MLM. I mean, it is. It's an MLM, but that's why I quit that platform because it wasn't trustworthy to me. I hate this price action. Come on, give me a break of structure to the upside. Thank you very much. Please continue. The prop firm or the platform to learn trading? The prop firm is quite legit, I would say, because in futures everything is highly regulated, so they cannot really mess around with you. Okay, why is it creating such big wicks to the upside? Come on. I could have closed here for a minimal loss and then just re-enter. This is still kind of bullish. This also, and this not so much, but also this is okay. We might be breaking through here. Yeah, that's a good sign. Just hopefully we continue to the upside. Yeah, I think yeah, like as I was saying, it seems legit because also the brokers here, the trade away account that I use, all of this stuff is highly regulated, and this future stuff, the price, everything here is quite legit, so it's hard for them to scam you, you know. It's a lot harder than in forex. In forex they could be legit, but they could be manipulating the prices with their brokers, or just by themselves, and then you kind of like you fail challenges just because of the price manipulations. Where here you get what you see. The price is the same on all the brokers, and the spread also, which is like really small, like one tick, so 0.25 or 0.50, and that's just about it. The challenge for me, well, it's on a monthly basis basically, because I use the promo code. For me it was around, it's 160, so $160. I remember the price in dollars, sorry. And it's per month basis, but after, I mean, if you fail the challenge, you continue to pay the monthly fee, but the reset option is $100, but when you pass the account, it's 150 one-time payment, and then you get the activation of the account that you can actually earn some money on. That's for 100,000. I would love to be on Top Step because that's when I first started out, but Top Step does not support Slovenian residents, and after I was already trading for 1 week at Top Step, and then I got an email that the Slovenia is not supported. Yeah, that one's really cheap, and they also created their own trading platform. So I would say like they're a good company, just us Slovenians can't really use it, so that's a bit unfortunate. But there was like 50 or $80 for $100 challenge. I mean, 100,000. Okay, so the price pushed back up. Now I'm a bit more calm. I just want to see us break through these highs. I'm not really sure yet if I want to move my stop loss. Well, we have fair value gap on 3 minutes, so first I want to see us break through here, then I'm gonna move. It's ICT concepts, so there's a few stuff I take in consideration. So we know that the price is fractal. That means that all the things like the price movement, all the patterns that you can see like on a 1 minute or even a 15-second time frame, they're basically the same thing, just magnified on even daily time frame. So that means that inside of, so that's like something like this, like that, and then we have on a smaller time frame this and this, and then the price reverses back up, and there might be something like this, takes out this high, consolidates for a bit again, retraces here, takes out this high. So the market maker buy and sell model basically, and I'm waiting for the manipulation move and then displacement to the opposite direction, so from here to here, and then I should be entering like around here. That's my entry point, but I was a bit early again today. Just stepped into order block. Hopefully we hold this fair value gap here. I'm just gonna mark it out. I want to have this visible. So it's basically we're going down, and then I want to see this here. I should see a market structure shift and a fair value gap inside of here. That's my entry basically, and I'm looking for this on a bigger time frame and then also on a smaller time frame too, and it all kind of connects together. But today is a very slow day. Price is really not that efficient. Yeah, of course. Logic explanation, well, ICT concepts rely on liquidity. So that's basically where the orders are resting to be activated, just like my sell stop order here. That's my stop loss. And basically the algorithm hunts this resting liquidity, these resting orders. Mine not be actually visible, but all the big ones are to the algorithm, and it's doing it by some mathematical logic, and that's why it prints these similar patterns. And after it sweeps some form of sell side liquidity, it's gonna hunt some kind of buy side liquidity. And right now, as you can see here, we moved up. There's this fair value gap, I just hope we continue higher. I want to see at least get to this first TP target. But that's basically, as you can see, consolidation, then move down. This is exactly what I drew out before. Manipulation move, market structure shift, retracement back down into fair value gap, 50%, and then continuation to the upside. That's basically what I'm looking for also here. But I think I'm gonna get stopped out because I was way too quick with my entry. I think the market's gonna continue lower first because we did create this fair value gap to the downside, but that might get ran through. If we break through this high, I'm moving my stop here. I'm just moving it closer and closer so that my risk becomes smaller and smaller. But yeah, what's ES doing? ES already moving very bullishly, so hopefully NQ catches up. What about YM? YM also very bullish, so NQ is kind of behind. A lot of consolidation in the NQ. We did that just, we swept sell side inside of the order block. We're still holding this fair value gap, so that should run up very soon because we are getting, I think, a lot of smart money tools here, SMT divergences. Okay, so 1 hour candle is looking more bullish now. I hope this closes above here, because this did just build even more buy side liquidity along with this, and this is low resistance liquidity, I would say, because they're just so stacked together vertically. I want to see us break through here, through this high. If we break through this high, we are safe, I would say. I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even or below this candle. Close bullish. Yes, that was amazing move, just in the last second. Let's break through here. We respected this fair value gap now. I think we're not gonna come back to this one again. Yeah, we are back in a bit of a profit. I'm still in the drawdown because I had a weird entry here. Did not make any sense. Like, I messed up with my setup, how I was setting up the order to execute. I'm moving my stop now. I'm moving here because I'm pretty sure we're going up. I just hope that does indeed happen. We are rejecting this, but I believe that's not gonna be a problem because we just build up even more buy side liquidity. We have a fair value gap here. If this closes like this, we might come back all the way down here, but there also might be an opportunity to add even more contracts here, but I'm not sure I want to do it actually. So let's just continue higher. That's right. Okay, that's amazing. We disrespected this. Okay, we're hunting buy side liquidity most definitely now. Awesome. Now that's awesome. So we just broke through this 15-minute fair value gap, I believe. That is right. Yeah, we're breaking through. That's amazing. Going higher. We're above 8:30 open now, so that's a good sign, I would say. I've been in this trade for almost an hour, and it's kind of, I need to take deep breaths during this to chill myself out, to stay patient. Okay, we're holding that fair value gap. We might come lower down to about 50% into this one. I'm gonna mark this out just to have it visually represented. I'm not gonna add anything to this yet. I feel like I've put on more than enough of a risk. After we break this high, I am moving my stop loss to break even. We are still holding this. Uh, 5-minute candle closes in 10 seconds. Let's just hope it stays. I would want to see it close above this, but it's not gonna happen. But it is going to close bullish, so that's a good sign. The momentum looks stronger and stronger, so that's good. This also, and yeah, this is still kind of indecisive because it's just the start. Let's go back to normal candles. Okay, we are pushing higher, still respecting this fair value gap. We might not go back to this one here, but there might be a turtle soup, which is basically buying the low of this. I'm not gonna place on any more of the trades, any more size, because I am in quite a bit of size actually right now, and we are in profits quite a bit, I would say. That's a good start to the new account, I would say. We are struggling a bit to push through this open level of the NYSE. I'd like to see a closure above this high. That would be a very good sign, but it's probably not gonna happen. We did move a bit higher just before the close. 5-minute candle still pushing stronger, of course, to the upside. Price just rebalanced, pushed back higher. If we close below this high, or this high, I would like to see it above this high. Actually, that would be better. Okay, stepped into order block. Immediately rejected. Turning back bullish, so that's a good sign. Did not close above here yet, so if this closes here, I am pretty confident in moving my stop loss down here to break even. Okay, 1 minute still close. Oh, the 5-minute candle. One, two, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, so here. Okay, that closed above. I'm moving my stops now to be risk free. It's market is pushing higher, so I am moving my take profits because we do not know what's gonna happen after this. We just took out buy side liquidity. Hopefully we reach this target also. Price is gonna rebalance to here, I believe. Okay. Now we're risk free. I can move my stop here. Now let's see what the rest of the price does. If this does come back, I mean come all the way up here, that would be a very nice trade. Okay, now I can be quite calm actually. I am in profits. First I took a bit of a loss because I executed here by mistake. That was not my intention, because I wanted to put on a limit order, but somehow it got triggered, so yeah. Okay, I'm removing this now. This might be the important part. Yeah, so that candle just broke right through it. One hour looking very bullish. Yeah, that was good. That was good. 5 minutes rebalancing price, I would say. We just stepped into New York Midnight Open, so this either turns around now or it continues higher. Yeah, it's a rebalancing price. Pretty sure we are going to leave fair value gap in here. There might be, like, this might be the tap into breaker block. I'm just gonna put this here. I'm gonna don't hurry with the entry because you took unnecessary, that's how I spell it, unnecessary loss. Don't add to the position before you are absolutely sure. That's for later. Journaling. After we break this high, we move stop to this low. Which might be happening right now. We're so close to it. Break the high. Okay. Now continue higher. That's right. Sorry for not talking too much. Kind of focused on the trading right now. I don't know if you're new here, the second watcher. I just took a bit of a profit. Messed up in the first place, but that was it's okay. I made it back, so. But I can put some music here. Let's do that. I don't know. Well, that's not music. Okay, we just swapped this sell side. Tapped right into order block of this. So, and closed bullish. So, and that was back to discount of this range. So we should continue higher now. Okay, could have taken out position here or here, would have made a lot more profit. I mean, a lot, 120 more, just right about it. If we break higher, I might re-enter, but right now, on the 5 minute, we can see that we did have break of structure here that left behind the first fair value gap over here, and yeah, I'm gonna watch that. Our stop loss was hit just, maybe I should have left it here, but that's alright for now, because we might be turning back to the downside to sweep this low, which would make sense because there is this fair value gap inside of here. Yeah, I'm quite happy with my trading today, except for this entry right. Where was that? Let's take a look at the executions. Yeah, so here. And this was also bad entry. Wait, what? Oh yeah, no, this was a good one. That was okay. This somehow got... Yeah, this got hit because of this. Okay, so... Maybe it was right on the close of this candle. Got up, executed. I don't know how that went, but it is fine. My stop loss just maybe should have been... I would have had... Yeah, so 5 times 10 to that's 10, yeah, $100 more, and but it's fine. Like, I did my job good today. I might re-enter, but probably not gonna stream it. We could wait, but no, I'm gonna stay a bit longer. I'm just not promising any trades. If we get like a clear structure shift back to the upside, then I'm re-entering, but I'd rather just sit on my hands quite literally. It's just unfortunate that we got stopped out here. If I left my stop loss over here, that right here would be yeah, that would just be another $100. I wanted to get to 1,000 today. Yeah, that would be nice entry. I mean, I should have just leave it here. I should leave it here right now. That would be better, but it's fine. Someone's calling me. Yeah, unfortunately we got stopped out, but wait, where was that? Execution was here, and up until this high, that would be yeah, almost 2,000, 200, another $200. So that would put us at 800, around $800. If we took out the position here, that would be yeah, that would be more than 800 in profit. But yeah, I'm ditching the screen right now, so hope you hopefully enjoyed. I'm happy I stuck with my bias today. Just this stop loss placement was not really smart, but overall I performed well. I stayed calm. So yeah, we're probably gonna hit this buy side, where I would most likely take 3 contracts out of the trade, and that will, and then leave 2 more. So that would be another. Yeah, 180 more bucks. That I would just leave the rest to be taken out here by a stop loss, or take my ultimate profit above here. But that's it for today. See you next time.